Well, good day. I'm Epstein, and here we are on Wednesday, and this is the 23rd of April, 2025, and the time right now, just after about 8:17 a.m. Central Time. You know, I was looking for a Tuesday reversal, which we got yesterday after a big break on Monday. I'm looking for an early up today, and I think a lot of what I hope is smart money people are taking advantage of this rally to get rid of some of the stocks that they've said, oh boy, I really don't want to own this right now. What do I do? I'm still of the opinion that April 7th was a trade bottom low in stock indices. And that was off the, if you'll remember, the dysfunctioning in the 30-year end of the bond market when we went to 5% and we were worried who was going to buy our instruments. Today, you're going to get another test of that with the 5 years. They're coming out. We'll see what happens, but right now yields are falling, so we'll see where that goes. In the dollar, I view this as a bear market rally, but I don't know how much downside's left. And with that in mind, you want to take a look at my report on the dollar index. I'll get to that in a minute with you. Right now, you just had the mortgage market numbers come out at 6 this morning. 12.7% decline on the index, 6.6 on the purchase index, and 20% decline on the refi. Not good. S&P Global Group manufacturing sector PMI at 845. We get 3 Fed people, not just 2 speaking today. New home sales data is coming out at 9, and we'll get petroleum stocks at 9:30. I already put out, and I was telling my subscribers that I put out my morning paid subscriber videos that don't believe this rally. And I was saying it as these markets were up nicely in the energy. I said, this is because the U.S. is pressuring Iran. It may go after Russia if a deal can't be done soon between Russia and Ukraine. And it's more that they're cutting supply out of the market, that there's fresh demand. Where there is demand coming into the market, I was reading an interesting report early this morning, is how much copper China is now using. And it's using a massive amount. So their industry is picking up again, and that's a good sign. So that shortage of copper, I think, is going to be very real. Breaks in copper is something I think we want to look at. In the gold, what can you say? A $200 decline in 10 hours. Wow. I mean, that was just vicious is how it occurred. But you get that from time to time. I want to remind you that my currency report is out. All you need to do is go to the website, irapstein.com. There's a link up here. Give it a click. I'll see you at the end of the day.